In every personal injury action, there are three elements that must be proven. The first is that somebody is at fault. That means that somebody did something that was considered negligent, or they didn't do something and that was considered negligent. We also have to prove that this accident that was caused through somebody's fault has caused what we call damages. The cause part is causation, so we just have to show it is what it sounds like. We have to show that somebody's at fault, they've caused an accident, that accident led to somebody's damages, and the damages that somebody's experiencing, their medical condition and how their life's been affected, that's actually related to the accident. The third element is damages. Damages are simply money damages that can be recovered from injury, from affecting the quality of somebody's life. Some examples would be medical expenses that you have to incur for medical treatment after an accident. Also, any future medical expenses that you might have to incur in the future. If you lose wages or if you miss work because of an accident, that's a type of damage. And then probably the biggest one that we often talk about and we really focus on in our cases is what we call pain, suffering, and mental anguish. And that simply means if the quality of your life has been affected, you have to be compensated in some way. In our system, money is the only form of compensation. But the idea is if money helps somebody because of what they've gone through as a human being and what they've lost, then that's a far better tool for them in their life. It's certainly better than them receiving nothing for what they go through. As an example, in any car accident case, there's actually two separate types of claims against the other driver's insurance company for the driver that was at fault. There's a claim on the bodily injury side, and that covers the types of damages that we've discussed, the pain and suffering damages, medical expenses, lost wages. But there's also a claim on the other driver's policy for the property damage to the vehicle. Those are typically handled by separate insurance adjusters, and they are separate elements of the claim.